My first explanation was a bit long, so this is just going to be a quick preview of what the program does, right? I'm going to launch it. It's just taking a while to load. So what this thing does is you have to input. There's four inputs, right? You have to input bullet velocity before, or the cart velocity, like the final velocity of the cart and the bullet after, the bullet mass, and the trolley mass. Those are the four inputs. You can leave one blank, and the program will be able to calculate that blank field, right? So say if, like in our actual experiment, we didn't know the bullet velocity, and that's what we're trying to calculate, right? We found the mass of a bullet to be 0.0005, which 5 grams. No, 0.5 grams, sorry, which is 0.0005 kg. Okay. Don't know the velocity of bullets, so we're just going to leave that blank. Don't press space or anything, just hit enter. Mass of the trolley only, that's 0.454, weighed by a weighing scale. And then the final velocity is 0.158, I believe. And then it's going to ask for a coefficient of friction. I'm just going to enter like 0.25, which is pretty standard surface, right? Enter. And then you have to select the window when you're trying to, so when this is grey, it's not selected, so you press on the window and it will be selected. And now you can press a button. To begin it, I'm just going to press like S, there we go. And then as you can see, the bullet shoots from the gun, and then the trolley moves a bit and slows down due to friction, and then calculates bullet velocity because you haven't put that in. So these are what you've entered, and this is what the computer's calculated. Obviously, if you can put all the four fields, but this won't show up if you put all four because the computer hasn't actually calculated anything. So yeah, that's a short demonstration.